What is up? Welcome back to another video of Louisiana Bassin. And today, got another package from Guggen Baits. Let's open her up. Y'all, got me one pack of PB&J Rattling Neds. They got me a pack of Lunker Log and Pearl. Let's take me a Rattling Ned out. Oh, real small. I like this. It has so much action to it for how small it is. Tell me if y'all could hear it. You can take the rattler out, but I don't think I need to. Let's put you back in there. So, I didn't tell y'all this yet, but I dropped AutoZoom. I ordered a big package of Guggen Baits that's coming in on Friday the Friday the 27th. I'm having over 42 packages of Guggen Baits coming in. Yes, that's a lot of Guggen Baits. I'm dropping all my Zoom worms, all my Strike King worms, because your boy is trying to get a sponsorship. That was a joke if y'all didn't get it. But no, I actually dropped all my stuff. I'm only using Guggen Baits from now on, because I'm obsessed with them. Let's take out a Lunker Log. Oh, I like this. I like the 5-inch. That's the only size wacky worm I use. Because to me, a 6-inch is just too big. That. Oh my god. This is awesome. Look at that. Barely even moving my hand. Oh my god. Just shout out to Guggen Baits. They make awesome baits. But, alright, so I was camping just last weekend with one of my friends. So I was fishing with this pond and some man came up to me talking about, hey, you been catching and stuff. I was like, no. But he was talking about how he worked for a bait company. Asked, what bait company you work for? He said, Guggen Baits. I met the designer of Guggen Baits while camping. That was pretty cool. Then he watched me catch 3.5, closer to 4. I was figure eighting my crankbait on the bank to get some grass off. Then it came up and ate it. Then he watched me catch this little pounder. But that was awesome. So yeah, I'll put a picture of the 2 fish I caught while talking to him. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Get ready for a video unboxing of Guggen Baits, and I got a new fishing rod. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, a 7.2 medium heavy favorite spinning rod on a favorite reel. So yeah, like I said, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, drop a comment below. See you on the next one.